Welcome to program number 5 in the Basic Engineering Skills series, in which you're going to learn how to read basic engineering drawings or sketches in preparation for marking off or planning workpieces. On an engineering drawing or a sketch, there are 3 important pieces of information, namely shape, dimensions, and written information. Let's take each point separately. On a simple object such as a box, the shape may be drawn like this. In this type of drawing, you can see 3 sides of the object all in one picture. The same box can also be drawn like this. In this type of drawing, we have drawn 3 different views of the same object. This view shows the shape of the box from its front. This is its end view shape. And this is its top view shape, which we also call the plan view. So, as you can see, there are 2 methods of showing us the shape of an object on a drawing. Some objects, like this flat flange plate, can be made from studying just one view on a drawing. The drawing of this plate shows all the necessary detail, and there is no real need for a front or an end view, as the object is made from a standard size stock material. However, an object like this grooved block will require at least a front view and an end view on the drawing. The plan view, as we'll see later, is not really needed. During the break, we suggest that you make sketches of simple objects in the way we've described up to now. After this, we'll discuss dimensions.